Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Tuesday, June 17th, and it's right around lunchtime. And what we wanted to do today is go over some recent winners that our members have received, whether it's through the chat room, which there's over 50 people in there right now, or on our nightly member videos. And it's very important that you see what we're doing, what we're looking at, and how big these winners actually are. We have two huge ones today that I want to discuss that we've been talking about for a little while here. GIGA, this one was alerted over here with the 200-day moving average support in the chat room, and then we did a video on it and we managed this bottom here. So it's still a nice hold, up 100 over 100%. And with news today, we took off. So I mean, we're still 300% on that. We have targets all the way up to $8 plus. What we've done is taken it to the weekly, and our members are really cranking on this. So we take it out to the weekly, and you can see we have 835 is going to be the next after this 502 break, which, you know, with the news today, it really should get there and beyond. The Navy contract news worth $4.5 million. So it's not a company to not look at. They're definitely doing well. All right, so let's get into a few others. SCTY we've been discussing on the member videos, all in this area right here, and this is the weekly, but let's switch it back to the daily. And what was taking place is this bottom right here, the triple bottom. Triple bottom was the alert to purchase. We got some calls about a month out, and that's what we were managing. You know, the calls today are up 5,000%, 2,000%. I mean, it's just crazy. Huge win for our members. Really big win for our members, and they're really enjoying the profits on it. And you know, we're managing these to the T. So you know, we can get these and manage them, manage the trade itself, and really manage the profit. So you know, you're taking profit up here only because you know it's overbought now. And it has done a great job, and we manage that in the live chat room, but our members are very happy. Let's cruise through a few more. We were talking about TAN. Okay, TAN, the same thing. We were down here. You can see the little box right here I was talking about, and you know, we managed this video several times with our members, and managing the call options on it and also the stock, and it's doing very well. It's still consistent to an upside. You know, along with that one is FSLR. You know, First Solar, same thing. Nice 50-day hold here where a middle Bollinger Band hold right here, which is a technical bullish term for us, and we really wanted to make sure it held, and when it held, it was fine to get into it. So nice move up here on this one also. ISRG was a beautiful setup also, and trade, as you can see. We were managing this consolidation box, and we wanted this 415, and we still think it's going to hit the 415. Little overbought, but we call it exit yesterday, only because we're going to manage off of this bottom candle instead of going for the full gap, which would be up here, and eventually I think it's going to get up there, but it needs a little bit of consolidation. But this was a huge 500+% winner for many of our members also. PCLN is just the best trader out there right now. You know, we managed this trade to the upside, and we managed the trade to the downside. Huge wins. You know, Zoomer is all over this in the chat room. He's amazing at PCLN and does a fantastic job, you know, finding the bottoms and calling the upsides and what it can do. So, you know, as for right now, it's regaining this little bit, came down, hit this trend line, still higher than yesterday's candle, the bottom of it. So you're still getting the stepping stone. I still think we're going to come up here at some point and then drop back down again. So if you're watching the videos, you'll understand. And we manage the videos very, very closely. We manage these stocks very closely. XON is another one. You know, this one just hasn't stopped since this hammer right here, the hammer alert. And, you know, you can see right here, you know, we have some big targets on this one, and it's already doing exactly what we wanted it to do, and that's climb, consolidate, 200-day moving average, hold, and then move to the next level. So there's no reason to get out of the trade, you know, right here at this break, even though you're green from down here. Buying the bottom and selling the top is key, you know. If you're playing the options, this was a massive move. So XON was another great one. BLU, which is BLUE, which was in our portfolio, our IPO portfolio. We have some great targets on that one, and that one was put into the portfolio right around here, $18, and you know, over 100% on this one. So we definitely have our tools at work for us. Twitter is another one that we just really did awesome on right now. Our target was this 38.80, and our target was hit. It was beautiful, beautiful move from down here, higher low. That was our trigger. Break of the middle Bollinger Band, 32 to 38. The options were absolutely phenomenal on that. We do think it's going to come up here to 60, and we will manage that in the chat room. And you're more than welcome to join us at any given point. You know, becoming a member is probably the most lucrative thing you can do to your portfolio. You know, data is another one. See, perfect trend. Everything's working. These are all set up back here. You know, so what you're seeing now and all these marks are continuous. From day to day, that's just riding what we said it was going to do. So it's holding this trend line right now, and we still have this 70 strike right here, 70.93. So, and we're going to get there, and we're going to get there. So it's just been fantastic, and I feel that we're really going to continue here. UHS, another one. You can see here, there's just been phenomenal. Off this 200-day moving average and middle Bollinger Band break. Just you know, you get $15 move here. Options were just mind-boggling. USO is another one that had a huge move. We have a long term on this. I might as well let you know on that. You know, take a look at the monthly here. We have a long term of 92 on this. We just need the consolidation box broken. But yeah, become a member and we manage this stuff with you. There's nothing broken about USO, and USO is going to come up here. Very strong. So it's just a matter of what time frame. And what time frame? You join us and we'll tell you. And you'll be able to play this along with us. NFX, just for options. Look at NFX. Same thing. Consolidation box broke. And this is on the monthly. Let me get back to the daily. That's the 4 hour. 4 hours exciting too. Let's look at this here on the daily, and you can see when our consolidation box broke, you could see what took place here. But we were down near the middle Bollinger Band break, down at 24. Now it's at 40, 41.70, just non-stop. So you got to, you know, really be paying attention to these trends, and we bring them to you. You know, MU, look at MU, non-stop, okay? So same thing, middle Bollinger Band break, you know, it was all in this area that we said, okay, you know, any dip down here, let's get this, and here it goes, you know, so we're still rocking MU. And these are just a few, you know, TAP is another one. TAP did fantastic from down here, you know, so here's what I'm saying. If you're not a member, $119 a month puts you in the chat room, okay? Now, if you look at some of the emails that we've sent out, you look at Floyd. Floyd's over $57,000 in a week, all right, from $20,000. So you look at all these other, you know, the other testimonials. It's true, it's real, and we do it. You can't beat the scans. I mean, Twitter patterns, Giga live alerts. I mean, we're live in the morning. We are absolutely live in the morning. We are going through the market. We are putting the alerts out. And we're managing it properly, you know, SCTY, TAP, everything, where we leave no stone unturned, you know. So make sure, if you're not a member, join today. It's well worth it. Come see us over at milestonecapitalgrowthportfolio.com. Become a member today. You go with the yearly. You save 10%, and you'll make your money back in no time. And you're going to learn so much from our free videos and what we teach on a daily basis in the chat room. It'll be mind-blowing for you. All right, so click on the link for this and join up today, and we will see you in the chat room today or tomorrow. All right, this is Matt. Have yourself a great trading day.